dear students. So welcome back to our maths class da. So today, okay da. So I told you this week we are not going to follow the exercises. So main topics only we are going to see. The last class we completed addition and subtraction. So today's class we are going to see about multiplication. Okay ma? So shall we enter into the class? Okay, so listen here. See here that, so today's topic we are going to see is multiplication, and we know that for each and every operation we are having another name, that is addition means sum, subtraction difference, for multiplication the other name is product, and we are having the symbols also, isn't it wrong? So addition the symbol is plus, subtraction, so addition the symbol is plus, subtraction it is minus, isn't it wrong? So the same thing, multiplication the other name is product, and the symbol for multiplication is into. What it is called as? It is called as into. So multiplication the other name is product and the symbol is into. So what is called multiplication? It is nothing but repeated addition. So okay da, it is nothing but repeated addition. Multiplication the other name is product, and what is the symbol for multiplication? It is into. The symbol is called as into. What is the meaning of multiplication? It is nothing but repeated addition. So you know why we are doing the addition? To find the total, isn't it? So for example, see here, if we are having the number 3. So how many times 3 is there? 4 times. When you add these numbers, you will get the number 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer you are getting? 12. So the same thing, using the multiplication symbol, it can be written. How it is written? What is the number here? The number is 3. So first you write what is the number, and then put the multiplication symbol, and then how many times it has been repeated, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. So the answer is 3 4s are 12. The main thing in multiplication is you should know the tables. Multiplication tables. Without knowing the tables, you will not be able to do the multiplication sums. So already in the lower classes, we have studied the tables, isn't it wrong? So recall that tables. Using the tables only, you will be able to write the answer. So in this multiplication, that is 3 4s are 12. These 3 and 4 is called as the factors. So these two numbers, which numbers we are multiplying, that is called as the factors, and the answer is called as the product. Okay, so say it once again. The numbers we are multiplying is called as the factors, and the answer is called as the product. Okay ma? So you will revise the tables, Ada? Yes. So without the tables book, you should do the sums. Shall we see the exercise sums? Okay ma. So now write this in your note also, and after this we will enter into the exercise. So see here, already in the first chapter, do you remember? We were writing the tables and we were writing the multiplication, doing the multiplication. But now I am not going to write the tables here. So without writing the tables, we are going to do the sums. So for that, you should be thorough with the multiplication tables. Okay ma? So the same thing, for addition and subtraction, we will be starting from the ones place, isn't it? So the same thing for multiplication. See here, the number is 2734. It should be multiplied by the number 4, isn't it? So 4, fourth table. We should use the fourth table. First we have to multiply the ones place number. So 4 4s are 16. You are getting 2 digits, isn't it? So in addition, if you are getting 2 digits, what we will do? We will write the place values above the number, and the ones place number in the answers place, and the tens place number in the carryover, isn't it? So the same thing here also, because after this we are having the number here also. So we cannot write 2 digits in the same place. So that ones place number in the answers place and the tens place number in the carryover. Now the multiplication, ones place multiplication has been over. Now coming to the next place, that is the tens place. 4 3s are What is it, Ram? 4 threes are 12. Very good. So 12, and we are having the carryover number. So carryover number, what we will do? We will add it to the answer. Isn't it, Ram? So 4 threes are, you are getting 12. Write it in a small size. So here to this 12, you should add this number. So 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1. So 12 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 12 after 13. So what is the number we are getting? It is 13. So the ones place number 3 in the answers place and the carryover in the next place. Okay. Now we have to multiply the hundreds place number. So it is 4 sevens are 24. Okay. So 24. Here you are having 1 in the carryover, 24 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 24 after 25. So here the answer is 25. After that we are having the number. So the ones place number in the answers place and the carryover in the next place. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. So it is 4 twos are 8. You are getting the answer 8, and here carryover is 2. So 8 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 8 after 9, 10. So the answer is 10. So the ones place number is 0. And after this any number is there? No number is there. So what we can do? We can write the tens place number also near the answer itself. Okay, ma? So for multiplication the other name is product. So here the product, the answer is 1, 0, 5, 3, 6. After 3 digit put a comma. The answer is 10,536. Okay, ma? So any doubt in this done? Write this in your note also. Write it clearly. And then after writing the sum, draw a line. We will see one more example here. See here the second sum done. The number is 3,462 into 25. So the previous sum we have only one digit. You are multiplied by 4. But here we are having 2 digits. Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to take the ones place number. So by taking this ones place number, we have to multiply all these numbers. Okay, ma? So first the ones place number. 5 twos are 10. Okay, so this is ones and this is tens. So the ones place number is 0 and the tens place number in the carryover. Okay, again these two numbers. First using the ones number, you have to multiply all the numbers first. Okay, ma? 5 6 are 30. Okay, so here it is 30. 30 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 30 after 31. The ones place number, 1 in the answers place and the carryover number in the next place. Now the third number. So 5 fours are 20. 20, here the carryover number is 3. So 20 plus 3. 20 in the mind, 3 in the fingers, 20 after 21, 22, 23. So here the number is 23. The ones place number, 3 in the answers place and the 2 in the carryover. Okay, da? So now this number and the last fourth number. 5 threes are 15. 15 and then here 2 in the carryover. So 15 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 15 after 16, 17. So here the number is 17. 7 in the ones place number. And then after this no number is there, isn't it, Ram? So the tens place number also we can write it here itself. So here the answer is 17,310 when you are multiplying 5. So now first 5 has been over, isn't it, Ram? Okay. So use the pencil to write these arrow marks. Next we will cancel this. Now the number has been over. Okay, now we are going to do the first place number has been over. Next coming to the next place number, that is the tens place number. So the second number, tens place number is 2. So taking this 2, start from the ones place. And then here what happens, ones place has been over, isn't it, in the second number. So put a star there. Now we are going to start the tens place number. Okay, ma? So we have to start it from the tens place. Don't start it from the ones place itself. See here. So it is 2 twos are 4. Only one digit. So you can write it as it is. Next it is 2 6 are. 2 6 are, it is 12. So the ones place number 2 in the answers place and 1 in the next carryover. Okay ma? Now we are going to multiply the next place. 2 4s are 8. Here carryover is there. Don't forget that. So 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 8 after 9. Here the answer is 9. Now we are going to multiply the next. See here 2 3s are 6. Only one digit. So you can put the number as it is. Now we are having two answers. So these two answers, what we have to do? We have to add the answers. So put the plus symbol. Okay, already I told you what is the operation we are doing. That symbol should be written. Okay ma? So starting from here, it is 0. No number is there. So you can write the number 0 as it is. Next the place is 1 4. So 4 is the bigger number. 4 in the mind, 1 in the fingers, 4 after 5. So the answer is 5. Next the number is 3 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 3 after 4 5. Here also the answer is 5. Next 7 9. 9 is the bigger number. 9 in the mind, 7 in the fingers, 9 after 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So you are getting 2 digits. Isn't it wrong? So the ones place number in the answers place, tens place number in the carryover. So first we will add these two numbers. 1 plus 1, 2. So plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 6 after 7, 8. So here the answer is 8. After this no number is there. So that's the answer has been over. Now you write it as product. It is equal to 8 6 5 5 0. So it is 86,550 is the answer. Okay ma? Any doubt in this? So please, multiplication should be thorough. After the multiplication table is thorough only, you will be able to do the sums. Okay ma? Yes. So we will see one more sum in multiplication. So the same thing. Here the 3 digits has been given. 386. You have to multiply by 34. So first what we have to do? We have to take the ones place number, isn't it? So ones place number should be multiplied to all the numbers in the first. Okay. Now the number is 4 6 are. So 4 6 are 24. So here it is ones and here it is tens. So the ones place number 4 and the carryover it is 2. Okay. Now next is 4 8s are. So 4 8s are 32. 32. So 2 in the carryover. So 32 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 32 after 33, 34. So 34. Ones place number 4 and the 3 in the carryover. Next, it is 4 3s are. 4 3s are 12. So 12 in the mind, 3 in the fingers, 12 after 13, 14, 15. The ones place number is 5. After this, no number is there. So you can write that 1 also near the 5. Okay, ma? Now, so the ones place has been over. Okay, so now I am rubbing these numbers. Now I am going to take the tens place number. So taking this 3 and I am going to multiply all the numbers in the first. Now, so here it is 3 6 are. And before that, what I have to do? In the answers place, ones place, I have to put a star. Because I am going to start from the tens place. So this is the tens place. Here it is 3 6 are 18. So 18, the ones place number and the tens place number, write it above this. Okay, now, so have this number, don't get confused, don't add this number. This number for the ones place number. Now we are writing for the tens place in the above column. Okay, now we are going to multiply. 3 8s are, it is 24. So 24 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 24 after 25. So 5 in the ones place and 2 in the carryover. Next, multiply in the hundreds place number. So 3 3s are, it is 9. 9 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 9 after 10, 11. So here the ones place number is 1 and after this no number is there. So you can write the tens place number also near the answers place. So that's it. 2 numbers has been over. Now what we are going to do? We have to add these numbers. So put the plus symbol for addition. Now we are going to add. Here the number is 4. 8, 4. 8 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. The ones place number is 2, 1 in the carryover. 5 plus 1. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 5 after 6 plus 6. 6 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so the ones place number in the answers place and 1 in the carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 2 after 3. Here we are having only 1. So you write that number 1 as it is. After this any number is there? No. So that's the answer has been over. Now we write the answer. Product is equal to 13124. So 13,124 is the answer. So write this neatly in your note also. So based on this today's worksheet will be. Okay ma? That's the class has been over. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.